Welcome to the EdbMails Office 365 Restore, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails Office 365 Restore tool provides a secure and reliable solution to restore Office 365 mailboxes, archive mailboxes, and public folders from previously backed up data. It supports AES 256-bit encryption, allowing you to use either the default encryption or your own private key, ensuring complete data protection during the restore process. With EdbMails, you can selectively restore specific mail items, folders, or entire mailboxes without data loss or duplication. The tool is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, simplifying the restore process for Office 365 users. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to perform an Office 365 restore using EdbMails. To use encrypted backup and restore, you must have your own EdbMails account.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log in to EdbMails application with the email address and password. Select Backup Office 365. Select Restore to Office 365. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click on Add Files. Select the encrypted backup files for restoration. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Office 365. Select the required connection method. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign In page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Click Start Restore. If you have set a private encryption key for the backup, use the same key for the restore operation. Click Save. Restore operation under progress. Restore completion message. Click View Logs button to get restore operation report. That's it for a hassle-free Office 365 restore. Visit edbmails.com today.